Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Welcome, everybody. Welcome for today. Today, hunt on Monday. Who's ready? Let us check GameStop and AMC. Okay, GameStop is pulling back, everybody. So we have a pullback for GameStop. Interesting. So today pullback for GameStop, it might be first around 1334. Yeah, this is could be and here could be our resistance to break because the short seller added today in the pre-market around the 1637. For AMC, nothing much. Riot is pulling back a bit. So good reaction from Riot, guys. It's getting near the 1111, which is the breakout. We have a gap to hold over at the market open, but as we said, GameStop, guys, we have big seller just added around the 1637. For today, we have to watch for a reversal over the 1334 and going up almost 40%. If we went, we're gonna have the test around the 2167. For the pre-market biggest gapper, let us see. We got XBP, I think it's just jumped right now. Wow, this one is beautiful. Yeah, this one is beautiful, everybody. It just jumped 1 hour ago. So now is getting near a major resistance around the 370. We might have those profit taken. So yeah, this one look beautiful, guys. Really beautiful. So this is the should be our first stock to watch. XBP is getting near a major pullback zone. After that, we have SGE. This one could be good as well for today. Hunt. We have a support here around the 155. Resistance $2.30. Target 293.98. For XBP is already have a major reversal here from the 240. We have how much we did here? Wow, 40%. So yeah, this one is preparing for a breakout from the $3.70, everybody. If we went, we're gonna have a jump until the 466, 560, and 760. Let me just check again if we have another thing. SPFM. Some of you said it looked good. Yes, SPFM, it looked good because it's getting near the squeeze zone is around the $1.24, everybody. This one could squeeze to the $1.39. After we break the 124, we have the other levels to watch out for, which is around the 170, $2.39, $3.16, if we really squeeze. But now, now is preparing for a major test around the 124. So SBFM, I'm gonna put it on the list. But not number one, is a maybe. BENF, I think, is moving. Yeah, we have a huge move from the support. This one was the top gainer last week on Friday, 255, guys. So we might have a squeeze if we broke the 12 or around the $13. We have a target around the 15, 22, 31, 43. Bottom is the $3.89. What I mean by bottom, if we broke the 6, we could buy around the $3.80. If we held, it means we could enter here for a reversal up. Again, let us check if we got another one moving in the pre-market. Oh man, this one huge breakout from the 196, and now it's getting rejected. Really, you get rejected before we see. So I'm gonna pass on this one. Yeah, I think this is it here on my watch list stocks or my stock screener. XPP, SGE, PNF, OMH. It was good in the pre-market, now it's gone. Let us check the other stock that we handled last week. We have SGBX still looking good, guys. As long as we hold the 5. JAX, one of you asked about JAX. We've got support to hold on the market open, which is over the 27. Bottom, it should be over the 1940. Resistance to break for JAX. Everybody, it look really good for a breakout. Around the 36, we have a huge target around the 42.51. 2 targets for JAX, and this could give us almost 40%. JAX already broke from our resistance back then, and we did 43% for JAX. This was the last trade that we did before. Yes, here we discussed JAX breakout. It was a great hunt from the last week, and now we might have a breakout and go toward those 2 profit taking. Align looking interesting. I just saw it before the market close on Friday. This one could give us some gain for today if we broke the current resistance that had been tested last Friday. So this one I'm gonna upgrade the support around the 650. Target, I have it around the 19. MNDR, guys, got flushed and this time didn't recover, because last time we have a haltation and pump up, then now squeeze down. This one could pump up, guys, to test the $8 at least. So I still have alert around the $8 because this is the squeeze zone for MNDR. If you're interested to buy the dip or the undervalued stock, again, this one is really dangerous. ARDX still strong. We jumped 28% after a huge earnings. This one could run again, guys, toward the 970 and 1180. So our ARDX is still on our list. CTMX, WGS is still on our list. AGBA is still strong, and DJT. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna take MNDR because it doesn't look good right now. SGBX. I have a bit of doubt for this one, so I'm gonna take it from the list. What else? Yeah, let me just check if we're gonna add something here, if something moving. Hologram, nothing much, still on the support. AMC, nothing much. AKLI, this one maybe, really. I'm not joking, guys. This one is really interesting. I like it. I like it. So I put it on the other list. ERX, nothing. This one still. CZU still. ENVX. It's kind of breaking a major resistance right now, or testing it. Okay, so this one as well looking really good. This one, yeah, I'm gonna add it down with CZU. EBS is still strong, so it's not that bad. It's better than MNDR. Mullen, we have to watch it closely. Reddit, guys, have earnings I think tomorrow, so we might have some action for Reddit. You know what? So I'm gonna put red mark here for this. Perfect. So yeah, let's go to our list here, guys. This one is about to squeeze. This one is about to squeeze up. Let me just update my levels here. How everybody doing? Okay guys, just to verify if you can hear me all right. I forgot to verify before I start. Yeah, XPP guys is the one here. SGE not still. We have to break the 240. SPFM. Yeah, interesting, but still below. So yeah, we have XBP, but the problem is this one is getting near a major resistance. I'm gonna put another support, everybody, for this one to hold. So if you want to enter here, you can risk almost 13%. So we'll wait either break from the $3.70 or going back toward the $3.13 for a reversal. Now is a bit dangerous. We're waiting for a pullback for XBP. DENF, as we said, the $6 is the support. Now the price is pulling back because we hit a resistance early in the pre-market around this level, which is the $9.81. Now it's pulling back. We've got the $6. If we don't hold right now, guys, is mean a flush down toward the 380, and here should be a good entry. Otherwise, if we held, would be good entry over the $6 instead. Then taking profit here, 980, 1290, and 22. Or the $20. Okay, I'm gonna put this there. This is the low that we're gonna hit. Anyway, so BNF, yes, this is the target. We have to break the 980 to go toward the 13 and the 15. No, it's not done. Still, there's a chance for CZU to squeeze because we're still holding the support at $8.10, and we already have mini tests for the $13. So once we break the $13, we're gonna have the 15 and the 19. So now we just accumulate here since April, the end of April, for a few weeks now. So we need to be patient. The same with Reddit and EBS and SGBX. All of them need time. to accumulate to continue go up. That's why I'm not forget about them. I'm still waiting for the confirmation for entry. For now we have XBP, guys, the only one that look good, with SGE. For SGE I'm waiting until we break the 2.30 for entry, but now it's kind of okay for entry, but we have to risk 13% the same because the stop loss or support is over the 155. So we could see if we could trade SGE for this dip. Maybe would be good. Let's see if we have SGE here. Yeah, because if it pumped, we could do some gain here. Just be careful, guys. We have two SGE, one on the London Stock Exchange and the other one on the New York. So the one that is active is on the New York, of course. So this one got shorted, guys, big time around the $2.30. As we said, if we entered here, we could risk 13%. Let me just check how much we can enter. Just little, just 421. So let us start with SGE. The other stock that we might hunt is XBP. As we discussed, guys, we have just two stocks right now, at least for right now, to trade. This one, guys, looking pretty nice because we have big buyer here, big buyer there, big buyer here, three buyers. We're waiting for the fourth buyer, guys, fourth buyer to take us really high. But now would be really nice if we have a dip toward the $3.13. Even before that, even $3.30 would be good. But if we don't have a dip and we're still holding here, guys, this will be fast squeeze. If we held right now over the $3.44, would be fast squeeze. So let me just check. This one we could buy just 650. If we entered right now, we could risk just 2%. Yes, just 2%, because if we held this current support, the $3.44 would be pretty good. Otherwise, we just wait to break the $3.68 instead. Okay, doing all right here. XBP 66%. As we said, there is a little support here. The strong support is around the $3.13, but the other one is over the $3.44. Let's see if we got something jumping here. Okay, we got something new, jumping 20%. PSTV. Okay. Nothing much. XBP still. We might have an. Okay, let us try to have a little entry here for XBP. As we said, we still don't have a confirmation, guys. We risk 2% on this trade. Okay. XBP is moving. Okay, XBP is moving. Tamara, try to refresh the stream. Guys, XBP jumped. As we discussed, guys, it jumped now 3%, but the seller's still there around the $3.68. This is the big seller here, still there. As we discussed, we said this is the support or the stop loss. We could enter here just over this support. And we said the other support is here. But as we said, you always watch out for the stop loss first. We calculated, we said this 2%, so it's not a problem. Before it was big because I don't see this support. We said almost 13%. This is the way that you make the trade easier to execute, is to calculate how much you lose and how much you gain, to decide if the trade is worth taking or not. XPP is still struggling, and SGE is still struggling as well. So this one I'm waiting for a reversal at least, guys, for this one to go toward the $2.5 to take profit on this one. XPP, guys, is preparing for another squeeze. We might hit this level first. Yeah, around the $4.10. After that, $4.68. So yeah, it would be good if we go toward the $4.10 first. Yeah, 10% or 11%, not bad. We need to break this level first. We need enough volume to take us up. We need the same candle that happened here, guys. This candle, big buyer. Let me just check how much. 50K, this one, 19, or yeah. So the volume is picking up. It was really light on volume in pre-market open. Okay, we have big seller here, 41. Missing another push, guys, a little push. A little push. We have kind of double top right now. Kind of double top situation. Guys, the only stock that looked good is SPM. Is XPP. The rest is sleeping. So if you ask me about SBFM on the other, we checked them, there's nothing yet. SBFM is coiling up. However, the trade doesn't look clean for me because the resistance is a bit far, the support is a bit far. So this one is really risky, guys. See how much you risk, 24%. And the gain is 24%, so it's not good for me for SPFM. Bad trade from the beginning. You risk a lot if you want to trade it. XBP, come on, we need our 10%. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna put alert because this one is teasing me a lot. I will put alert around the 70. If we broke, we're gonna watch it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna watch it. Yeah, we have a breakout, guys. Let's see if we hold the breakout. Nice. We have a huge buyer. $3.84. Come on, we need the $4.10, guys. $4.10 would be a clear breakout. Let's see if we hold this break over the $3.68. If we held, guys, we're gonna go toward the $4.10. Come on. This one we have an entry just there, guys, from the $3.50. We did 9% right now. Yeah, we already did 9% on this trade. So this one, it could go toward the $4.10. If we held now, would be good. Otherwise, we're gonna have a fake out. So let's see if we have hold up here. Otherwise, I'm gonna close the trade early. XBP still holding. Okay, come on. We have few seconds to reverse. Otherwise, I'm gonna close it with at least 5%. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. Then I enter again because we might have a fake out here. Yeah, so we took little profit here. We have a bit of weakness here because we could have went toward the $4.10 easily, but there's a big seller. So it was really good entry, guys, from the $3.50 because if you entered with us, you already did 9%, but we took just 3% on this trade. You know, I don't want to hold it because sometimes we have this kind of fake out, you know, so it's not wise to hold and lose the gain. Okay, not bad. Not bad, but it's not clean. It's not clean trade. The trade was good 30 minutes before we did our live streaming here around this breakout. This is the clean breakout, guys. This is good breakout. Here, not good. This one, not clean. Really bad breakout. Yeah. So this one will stay on the sideline for now to check later if there is another entry. Let us check the market if we have other thing to trade. So far, nothing. AGBA, guys, be on the lookout and ready for this trade because it looked pretty nice to me here. For a breakout from the $3.54. Because if we broke on the market open, we might have the 4, the 580. Two target, guys. Two target for AGBA. One of the top gainer before. You see how much we did here, man? We did 70%. So this one could do another 70%. Exactly. Another 70%. So AGBA could be here on our list. Look pretty nice. SBFM, I'm gonna take it from the hot list, to be honest. Jax still okay. We got what else could be on the hot list? No, this is it, I think. Let us keep watching this one if it reverse. Support is still there, guys. Support is still there, the $3.44. So we might have a reversal here. XBP. The support is clear, but the resistance is not clear anymore. Yeah, the resistance is not clear. Let us refresh to see something. We got this one, but light on volume. We have ALR jumping right now. Jumping right now from a huge bottom. ALR look interesting, guy, for a squeeze as well. Oh man, this one we could put it on the list. This one could be good, guys, if we broke the $1.30. So put alert, everybody. This one could squeeze if we broke the $1.30 because this will give us a squeeze 15% until the 150, then the 175. So ALR should be on our list, hot list. It just moved, guys. just move right now. Guys, hit the I forget. Yeah, XBP. This is the only trade, guys, that look good right now. It wasn't clean because we could have went until the 410 easily, but we have a hidden seller. The good thing is we're still holding the $3.46. So this is kind of the stop loss for now. If we held it, guys, we're gonna go toward the $4.10. But for this one, we don't have a resistance. This is the tricky stuff here. For this stock, we have a hidden seller. This is the problem with this stock right now. It has hidden seller. I think he's buying in a dark pool right now. It's really hard to spot this seller. But I spot the buyer. The buyer is over the 346. Big buyer. So let me just check how much we could risk. We could risk right now 6% on this trade. 6%. And the gain could be 11. So 2 to 1. 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Let's see if we have a drop toward the $3.46, could be a good entry if we held over it. What's going on? What you mean? Do I check the level? You mean level 2, man? Level 2 data? You mean XPP still holding? Whoa, ALLR, guys, is about to squeeze. Let us go to this one, ALLR. This could be good right now. Whoa, this one could be good right now, guys. Are you kidding me? We could buy little amount of money, man. This is child play. ALR is squeezing. We have limit order of just 200 shares, but it's squeezing, guys. ALR is squeezing. It is squeezing right now. We might have the 150 right now, guys, in matter of seconds. Now $1.39. Yeah, we have the 140. We miss another jump of 7% or 8. We have the breakout on the 130. Let me just update the support. We've got a strong support here right now, $1.09. Resistance at the moment is 150. And support 109. Target after that 175. ARR just moved, everybody. XPP went down, you see? Went down. Big seller then. We have a big seller for it. ALR, we still waiting for another jump toward the 150. Again, this one we have limit to buy only 200 shares. Again, this is because in Europe we have limitation for penny stocks. At least for not all the penny stocks, but the most volatile one, like this one. You see what's happened here, huge pullback, We have two pullback, big time. We have a huge jump, pullback, huge jump, pullback, and we're missing another huge pump up. So yeah, the 150 should be tested soon. XBP, if we broke the $3.46, I will be ready to buy the dip this time over the $3.13. If we just broke the $3.46, would be good. Okay, SGE, it's really weak now. The short added around the 190. So this one, guys, this one I will lower the resistance for it, or the next time that we might have a squeeze is the 189. So this is how we could play it. We have a reversal zone is coming up right now over the 155, or I will put it around 150. Resistance to break after that is the 189. XBP is started to reverse again from the $3.46. So this is a really strong support, guys. If we held it as mean, this one will squeeze toward the $4.10. ALR, there's still buyer. This time, if we make the short cover around the 140, we're gonna see the 150 in few seconds. This one is big. It moved big. So yeah, we have just two stocks now, XBP and ALR. XBP, as we said, the $3.46 is the current support for us. And ALR, we have the 150 as a resistance, big resistance. We need a jump right now for ALR. We don't want to go back toward the 109. This will be a kind of weakness. Okay, XBP. Okay, this one still looking good, guys. Still looking good here. Still looking good. Let me just see if we have an entry here. I would be ready to exit from the $3.46 if we broke it, but now look okay. ALR still okay. This one is still okay. So let us watch this and the other. So we have just two stocks to watch for today. Only two stocks. Okay, we have a jump. We have a jump. Guys, XBP, we might have a reversal toward the 410 right now. $3.46 confirmed, big buyer. Really good. Good reaction for XPP. Now we're gonna have the $4.10. Nice, guys. Really good reversal from this support, as we discussed earlier. We have first entry here, and then we exited here, then we entered again here, and now we got kind of resistant, guys. Right now it's been tested around the $3.84. Double top, guys. Double top right now. So make sure to take profit here, a bit of profit, because we might get rejected again. Okay, the short covering now. We need the 410, guys. This level have to be tested right now. Hallelujah. Nice jump, everybody. 10%. Already did 10% on this trade. So we entered around the $3.64. $3.64 is here, guys. So now we're up 10%. Then $4.10, guys. I really need to hit the $4.10. We need to have the $4.10, man. Yeah, we need it right now. It's a matter of time. $4.10. Always make sure to take profit, guys. Oh man, this one always fooled me under resistance. Come on. Where's the balls? We need another push up. We need another push. Okay. Nice trade, everybody. Nice trade. Hallelujah. Come on. Come to Papa. We're missing just 5 cents. 5 cents to the $4.10, everybody. 5 cents. Nice hunt, everybody. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna hit it right now. Otherwise, the short will have different talk. Okay. You know what? I will be on the ready on the sell button zone. I will be ready to sell, guys, anytime. I will give it a bit of little amount of time to pump. Otherwise, I'm gonna close here. Maybe I will enter again after that. Come on, come on. $4.10. Give me $4.10. Jesus said $4.10. Hit the $4.10, then go to sleep. You know, sometimes the trade will take a bit of time to hit the profit. So discipline is really a key here. Of course, we hit it with interest. So I'm exiting right now, man. Great hunt, everybody. Really great hunt for XBP. Great hunt. Take your profit right now, guys. We hit the profit right now. Now we might have a pullback. ALR still have a struggle. SGE is still okay here. So yeah, this is it, guys. We hit our profit for XPP. The next target is the 468. $4.68. So we took our profit. Now we might have another jump for this one if we broke the $4.10 and held. But now is kind of tricky because we might have a pullback. So the target $4.68 if we hold over the 370. Yes, yes, sir. So this one, it was a really great trade, guys. ALR is not ready yet. ALR is not ready yet. You know, tomorrow, next time, don't enter fully for one trade. Try to take two trades, you know, because sometimes one, it doesn't do good, or the buyers or the short seller is heavily positioned on one trade. So to lower your risk and have the odd again with you is just trade two stocks. Don't put all your money in just one stock. Because trading is number games, guys, and probabilities, you know. Look at this. XBP, man, is the strongest right now. We told, guys, and even tomorrow, when you see the stock is number one on the list, is the best one. Okay, ALR, we put it second. Why you choose the second one? XBP, it was the number one from the start. Okay, XPP is still pumping, guys. This one is mooning for today. I think this one will moon. Perfect, guys. This one could moon for today. Let us put support here. XPP is still mooning, guys. Nice trade for this one. As we discussed, guys, this was the best support and best bottom to buy over the $3.46. So if you entered with us here on this bottom, guys, you're already up almost 20% on this trade. Great hunt, everybody. ALR is still good, Tamara, still good. It's not that bad. $1.09 is your support. Profit taken right now, if we pumped Tamara, is the 150 because this is a major resistance. Make sure to exit there if we test it. And the other profit taken you could take is around the 175. And the $2.36. So what I suggest for you tomorrow, just take 50% here and let the other one go, in order to just be sure to take profit. Don't trust the market too much, guys. Don't trust the market too much. That's why we took profit on this trade XBP, even though it's still looking good. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go on our live stream on YouTube in 30 minutes from now. So great hunt for XBP. Still watching for XBP is the number one, guys. We don't have anything else. Let me just check this the market here. No, nothing. The number one is XBP, guys. The rest is history. ALR, it could be good for today and squeeze if we broke the 150 and held over the 109. The rest is still not good for me, guys. We have just two stocks to watch, really. And number one right now, which is really mooning, is XPP, everybody. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you later in our YouTube. If you have any question, just put it on Discord, guys, on the comment or the question channel, guys, here on Discord. Just post your question here and I will make sure to cover your question first on our YouTube live streaming, of course. Thank you for watching, guys. See you later.